So hey y'all, it's Brown Skin Poppin'. This video is going to be on taking out your lock knots and ending up with the brand new style. It's like crimped at the top, curls at the bottom. I love how it has body. I'm in love with it. I was actually going to show you guys another style, but when I started taking my hair out, I noticed that I was like, that's kind of funky. Crimps and curls. So that's what y'all getting. Stay tuned.
Okay, so right here I'm taking out the lock knots and I'm taking them out from the bottom. I really don't like this technique. So yeah, if you got a faster way or a new technique, I would suggest doing that because I did not like this way.
So I was actually taking out my lock knots to show you guys a certain hairstyle, but I'm actually liking how these are turning out. Ooh. I like how it's like crinkly, but then it has like this loose wavy curl at the bottom, like it's like body. So fuck it, this is just what this video is gonna be about. I'll show y'all the other style another time. And then I got lazy. Look, I'm like, I ain't got time for this. I'm like, we just about to twist this and keep it on going. Moving on, because taking it out from the bottom takes so long. If somebody else got another technique, please tell me. Don't forget to wet your roots a little bit or oil them a little bit before you start. So just because you'll be tugging and pulling and keep your scalp hydrated a little bit. Glad I got a little piece of nail. Yeah, I hate rubber bands. Okay. I'm almost done. I'll be the person walking around like this with like, yeah, somebody. One of your locks are still in your style from last week. So thanks for tuning in to Brown Skin Poppin'. Thanks guys for watching another lock video. I like my hair, it's really cute and I didn't even expect it to turn out like this. So don't forget, if you haven't already, like, share and subscribe. Check out my other videos.